this is how I translate text from any language into any other language in Zendesk. This is an alternative to the Zendesk AI Copilot that we use, that we've created, and it's much better because you can chat with it. It's an OpenAI integration, which is ChatGPT in your Zendesk. So now I'm opening up a test ticket that I have here in my unassigned tickets that I've created as a test for this. It's somebody ordering a ball, a red ball, and they want to deliver to Sweden. Now, as an agent, I want to have an assistant that helps me, solve my request. So this AI app that we built analyzes the ticket data, sends it to OpenAI, and it also analyzes my history with this end user. So it looks at for all of the tickets that this person has requested with me, all the tickets, and based on that history, it provides me with an answer. So one quick thing that I can do is I have a quick action here. It's called Chat with AI. So I just click it and I just go quick answer. I'm not going to ask it to be more formal or more whatever. I'm just going to, in this example, just going to generate a quick answer. Now, what this does is it analyzes the history with this customer, this particular ticket, and if I have any documentation, any PDFs, or any knowledge base anywhere stored, we feed it into this assistant in OpenAI that you can chat with. So this is a quick action. I'm just going to show you this real quick answer that is generated. So this is what it helps me generate. Now I can go ahead and I can like this answer. I can of course edit it out. But the beautiful thing is what I can do with it is I can go here in chat. Now this opens up my my OpenAI assistant. So it's ChatGPT in Zendesk, but it's just a better version of ChatGPT because you can change the engine to whatever you want, exactly like you would in ChatGPT. Now, this one is thinking right now, and I'm going to let it do its thing because I wanted it to, to analyze the ticket because that's what it's doing right now. So what I do now is I can say, I want this text translated into Swedish, please. I'm just going to paste it. Now it's sending this information to OpenAI, much like ChatGPT. It's translating it into Swedish or whatever I want. And here we go. Cara Thomas, tack för att du I apologize for my Swedish. It's not very good. All right, now I can copy this. We're still working on this. We're going to have a toolbar here to easily make you copy it, but I can just go back in here, paste it, and submit the ticket as open because I'm just going to reply to the customer in Swedish. I'm going to make them a nice surprise, answer in Swedish. Now this is just one functionality that I wanted to quickly show you, but I can do much more with this. So as a bonus, you can of course just keep chatting with it. This is ChatGPT within Zendesk. You only pay for usage. So if you use the OpenAI platform, depending on what engine you want, we can enable for you the 4.0, 4.1 engine, 3.5 if you want to go you don't want to spend too much. We can even enable the 01 mini, whichever one you want. It's just how much you want to spend with it and how much you want it to process, because that's what actually makes the price difference, is the computational power. And more computational power, you get a higher price. Now we only put a bit on top of it, so a bit percentage on top of that usage. So that's the cost of this wonderful integration. Now I can go further and I can chat with it about making the answer in a different way, rejecting it, or formulating it in whatever type I want. Or I can ask it to cook me an egg if I want, because how do I cook an egg? Let's actually try it. How do I cook an egg? AI is thinking. Let's see how much it is thinking. So I can, because it's an OpenAI, because it's OpenAI, I can also look up how to cook up an egg. So look, this is how I can cook up an egg. Now I can also have some quick AI actions. This is completely customizable. We just added in here what we think is good, what you can use, for example, to improve the response, to analyze the conversation, refine it, suggest next steps, etc. I'm not going to go into these ones because I want to make separate videos on this because we liked our integration a lot and we think it's great and we think it's much better than the Zendesk Copilot. So that's which is $50 a month. You don't have the ability to chat with it. You don't have the ability to feed it your historical data, and you don't have the ability to make it, you just have some predefined actions. With this one, you can do whatever you want. In this case, I wanted to translate. You can translate it to Afrikaans or whatever. It's OpenAI. You can do whatever you want. So look, the other thing that you can do is you have the info here, and this analyzes the ticket and it gives you some sentiment analysis. It makes you a summary of it. Much of the functionality that the Zendesk Advanced AI or Zendesk Copilot gives you as well. So you are able to reference some more information from here. If you want to share this with your colleagues, they don't have to read up all of the conversation. They can just go in here and read up and see the summary, sentiment, etc. And then, of course, again, you can chat and ask it anything. My name is Dominic. I'm a customer experience enthusiast. I've been one for the past 15 plus years. This is my 12th year of being a Zendesk consultant. We are Zendesk partners and we like to bring value. And if you want this app, it's private access only. We're improving it day by day and we are launching it on the Zendesk market as well. That is being worked on. For now, you're going to be able to either write me an email, which you will find in the description of this email, or you have a landing page as well where you can apply for it. And of course, you'll be in touch with myself or somebody in my team until you can get it publicly from the Zendesk Marketplace. This has been a really quick update. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.